Socheng Dhenta constituency along the Gandhi Sankalpa Yatra sai kedeng. Bithungreng Thama constituency along APHLC pen Hawara Mai Keseng BJP Congress atum APHLC along Kidun. Lurelangso Lukimona Dowan pen Rong Marjong Kachelenga Tower Poriwartan at Tomon Lidam Delan Tower Kahino Kanglira Jok School College Kidunatum Kaningri. Kardom Karprime Time along pen Nili Berta Thanbang Sami Monica Milikpi Nom Bertang Tonpen Arjoitha. Bharat Adang pi along Mahatma Gandhi ningkan paroi sirap hokyap arta ke chok along pache tondun pen pre ni phayeng kora phor ni Socheng Dhenta constituency kapar lupar kupahar model primary school pathua klam along ta Gandhi Sankalpa Yatra asai kedeng. Labang Soma along Alheman pen Karbi Anglong Thomas Council CM Tulam Ronghang MP Horan Singh Be MLA Joyram Ingleng MLA Barim Bidya Singh Ingleng Karbi Anglong Thomas Council EM Atum Amar Singh Tiso Jagat Singh Ingti Mongol Singh Timu Rup Singh Teron Pradip Difusa Lun Singh Teron Kacherong Pipi Khon Singh Rongpi Raju Tiso MAC Atum Richard Tokbi Ram Singh Timung Dor Singh Ronghang Prabhat Chandra Taro Nominated MAC atum lapen BJP Klembang Phubang Phi atum Chetongdun.
Socheng Dhenta pen senglo, layan le kelong mongwe pen senglo, layan le kelong ye pen kali, ale tum jongjuga le kelong ye phansi, pini alo olong dapsi, gope again, sotan again si, ale tum penan, sorsal dhamma le tum, layan le mi dhamma le tum. Phangatana piyate, hemso piyame hem, 1,40,000 pen senglo. Agak scheme kita ikonan dame, nona kecuci kira tempat asam government pen, suri open sengok ni kan siang bo, Narendra Modi pilo, suri so, pada parlum pen, suri ke siatangka, je kecuci kira perka, akejo pen jeti, sel itu betul tempat, suri ikonan bo, suri ke pen sengok, lagi ada terka akejo pen jeti, lahai tam.
Yes, dolo Raja Kali murid atum kesopiun tadu tasi hidup teratum acara kesuruge Nogam Ceranggan Nangko Guwahati Ceranggan Nangko hidup teratum ke Guwahati ke lupi keramlo Nogangan ke poni phanta patai tharu matha nangko nasi Lakindo BPL family itu bang itu saudara lo polote si gelang awar sai gelong ji apa Ayushman Bharat buat karnang le
MP Horan Singh Bepen Mailong Gandhi ji kamatha amang kahiman lapen ke claim kedam alamora phan than pachini lapen Karbi Anglong Thomas Council CM Tulam Ronghang pen Gandhi ji ason ingsam jin pen si hemprek hangnang ji lapen long ji kache boycott pen kali kaching thura mu doan ta ingsam jin pen si cyclone nang ji busi mayalong jaitakang Karbi Anglong Thomas Council CM Tulam Ronghang constituency Bithungreng Thama Kolonga along APHLC Hawara Mai Keseng Berta Nilitumalong Bertang Pale All Party Hills Leaders Conference Amai Pujai Kathar Lapari Sanghotum CM Tulam Ronghang constituency Kolonga along Kapadu APHLC Hawara Mai Keseng along Chetongdun si 6 schedule putha ka Chetong Haral Phan Than Pachini Laso Amai along BJP lapen Congress atum Amethang asong pen GOC APHLC asong long Chingbedun Hanjang langso di Drongo Express sai hemalong preni phaing koira phorni ani tilike thama porpen Karbi Student Association inglong pho Karbi Unemployed Youth Association Karbi Student Youth Council Karbi Student Union lapen Indigenous People Justice Forum of Assam Bogajan District Committee atumpen pherangke amai ke pha birta Bogajan pen pherangke birtang pale alang li tumpen pherang ke amai long ke jongpon ke pre ni phaing kora trogar ni Assam Hills Medical College difu along bangsuri police se borenga hoya phan sadlang ke tok dun akorte rapen injura to phan karbiang long ake hoy mate karbiang long Thomas Council CM turam rong hanga phan kachuni ripon ke 3rd grade lapen 4th grade aborenga hoya phan pharo karbiang long ara datu apangsi pipon ang jipusi sodak pen ke jongpatu
regarding the interview written examinations of Assam Hills Medical College, which will be held on tomorrow, that means the 26th of October 2019, which is set at Difu for Karbi Anglong district. Today we have Karbi Student Association, Karbi Student and Youth Council, Karbi Students Union and Karbi Unemployed Youth Association along with Indigenous People Justice Forum of Assam. It is very unfortunate to take such of steps regarding the matter is that the people of Karbi Anglong and Dimhasao facing the extreme problems in employment sectors from so many years. The thousands of numbers of educated youths are still struggling on that, but KAC are failed to fulfill on it. So our earnest request to our honorable Chief Executive Member sir to make concern on it, and our further demand is noted on this press statement. So I would like to request Mr. President Bay of Karbi Student Union to read the statement.
pherang ke amai long KSA inglong pho Bogojan District Committee pen Kangburatimung KUYA Bogojan District Committee pen Raheskiling KSYC Bogojan Regional Committee pen Phubong Timung IPJFA CEC pen Ranjit Hanse KSU BRC pen President Beatum pen Ningje non molom so por phan birta muin to paisana Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor hinben warsai kemi kipipon lasila sonobor sai kemi along ninghangatum ali chuan dunik tha warsai kemi laki chiklo jontro phan kapamala seke piponji lasia por panhok he pinpen Claret Unisex Beauty Parlor along patebok damiknon rong parpi rong berot near Iron Bridge dipukar bianglong lasilan so seka chini le thojia phan laswa number 600-121-3664 along humriknon Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam Enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious one year now.
Here's everything you need. Groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Also a huge Durga Puja offer on Swati brand. An offer you cannot refuse. Kanch Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Dihinamo ophiputhot birta along wang thiglo Dipu lurlangso lukhimona dowan pen rong marjong ka chelenga towar we chenglo te sapta keng pen damno motor kari ke damunji ke aphialamlo la so towar phan piniarnian ta parivartan tomon ke ledam de jo we chenglo te school college la pen hithi ke dam je phan kamathak phujot nang set pusi niltumalong birtang pali Parivartan tomon pen Karbi Anglong towar hemamalini amhang angomason langmeo po racharia songja po atom lamning jelemdet apor hodi fulur langso lukhimona dowan pen rong marjong ka chelenga towar ke ephong arwe jang puranta towar cheklatno Lurlang so pen Lokimona Dowanan ke PWD Tower Dolo. Lokimona Dowan pen Rong Marjongan kahelo kilometer hinian ta avelo. Rong Marjong pen damlo de Polytechnic ta chepla. Tower ka slama mongwe takar biang long nang japlo bonta. Rong Marjong arong ke dama tower aphat pariwartan mongwe le damone data son. Becheng hula so tower ka chelat kisunga jok school college kiduna somar school la pen college kidun long le mate ke mam nang ta batai dolo. School college ke duna somar aphan ke me mathara Rong Marjong ka chelenga tower nang humri thapusi kisung ke phorat Caribbean Autonomous Council a CM la pen PWDIM aphan tower cholan. All Party Hills Leader Conference haflong aro tumpen non hejong umrang so pipelines kam bawa dimalong pre ni phaing ko ra player ni kahumri dama birta nonjong birtang pali. APHLC haflong atumaro aphan APHLC haflong in charge Rodipui Paite pen ke Japon lina long APHLC organizing secretary Romesh Kathar la pen member Chandra Chinthong atum adimalong palidam. Alang litum non hejong kopili dem nepko along pipelines kang bopen jokomara to aprang ke dama hema sora to pa chitong damsi aning pathetekan. Karbi prime time bangkela ponsi kang ton pailo dome thakme kurang thu.